my idea is that if parents and teachers come together, people who feel, like the education system is not working and that something needs to change, if everybody's sitting in their own house thinking something needs to change, it's very difficult to have the energy or support to make those changes. So really, Festival of the Child is a wish to bring people together across countries and cultures so that we can start having the conversations around what that change looks like. And my big wish is that in the long term, we might start mapping out a vision of what that future looks like. I think that young people and children have an access to a knowing and an understanding of life that is actually very true and very beautiful. And I think that as adults, we forget so many things. We forget to look with the eyes of curiosity. We forget to be creative. We forget wonder, reverence, awe, like literally seeing the world through the eyes of a child. And I think that as the older we get as adults, we get further away from that kind of natural love of learning and love of life and curiosity in the world. So one of the ideas behind Festival of the Child is to kind of create a space where adults can get back in touch with those qualities through creative activities, through conversations, through feeling supported, so that they can awaken the child living within them. Because I think that when more adults can experience these qualities of the child, like curiosity, creativity, and wonder, the more we can understand children and better support them in a healthy way to grow into the future. Children and young people, I think that you are already the future. And I often have thought, particularly when I was much a younger mother with my children who were kind of smaller at the time. Now they're teenagers, so they spend way less time with me. But when we were younger, we'd sit around the dinner table, and their big eyes would be sparkling, shining at me. And I think that children have so much light in them. And I think the light in a child's eyes is also like a message from the future. It inspires hope and possibility and magic. And my deep wish for Festival of the Child is to reconnect adults to those qualities so that we can remember that children are here and young people with something that we can also learn, and that there's a message that you have to share with us. And we might think we know everything because we're 40, 50, 30, whatever it is. But it's not actually true. I think that we know, the knowing lives within us. The knowing lives amongst us. And I think we can each teach and learn and share together. So that's really what I'm kind of like holding space for. And I don't know what it looks like in the future, but it's just, like planting a seed in the ground. Who knows how it's going to blossom and grow.
Parents, teachers, administrators, I have not come here to praise education, but to reinvent it. But how? The answer is together. You are the ones who hold the answer in your hearts. Imagine in this Festival of the Child what it is like to be a child and how best we can foster their creative engagement in the world. This is your task. Enjoy.